Alrighty. For this next one, what we're going to do is we're going to write either an equal sign or a not equal sign. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. These are equal. 95 minus 25 is 70. These are equal. 1 plus 9 is 0, is a 10. Carry my 1 up. I have 1 plus 9 is 10 again, plus 1 is 50. So it's 150 is equal to 150. Perfect. 110 minus 9 is 101. That is not equal to 90. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. That is not equal to 30. 55 or 100 minus 55 is 45. These are not equal either. 30 plus 30 is 60. That is not equal to 70. 14 plus 3 is 17. Minus 10 is 17. They are equal. 2 plus 5 is 25. Plus another 20 is 45. These are not equal. Okay. Write the 8 related addition and subtraction equations for the break apart drawing. So this has to be doing with addition and subtraction. This is not division and multiplication. So I need to write 42 plus 6 is equal to 48. Then I need to write 6 plus 42 is equal to 48. Then I need to do 48 minus 6 is equal to 42. 48 minus 42 is equal to 6. So remember, I added down here and I subtracted going down the side of my mountain. The only difference on this side is that I now need to put the 48 first. So 48 is equal to 42 plus 6. 48 is equal to 6 plus 42. 42 is equal to 48 minus 6. 6 is equal to 48 minus 42. I'm just writing the answer first. Write an equation to solve a problem. Draw a model if you need to. We're just going to do deal for all of these problems. Do you have deal? Make sure you write down the exact same things Mrs. Green does. There were some people at the arts and crafts fair. Then there were 347 people went home. Now 498 people are left at the fair. How many people were at the fair to start? So here's my break apart drawing. Their question is how many people were at the fair to start? So I'm looking for this number. So there were some people at the arts and crafts fair. We don't know how many. Then 347 people went home. Now 498 people are left at the fair. So I would have to write 347 plus 498 is equal to P for people. I would then add 347 plus 498, and I would get 15, carry 14, carry 8. 845 people were at this craft fair. A group of scientists spends 3,980 hours observing the behavior of monarch butterflies. They spend some more hours recording their observations. Altogether, the scientists spend 5,726 hours observing the butterflies. How many hours do the scientists spend recording their observations? So, altogether, we know that means that this is the final number. That word altogether, this is how many hours they spend altogether. So then the other answer is going to be 3,980. And the answer after that is the unknown. I don't know what it is. So I would write 3,980 plus x equals 5,726. In order to solve this problem, I need to change my equation around, and it's going to be 5,726 minus 3,980 equals x. 5,726 minus 3,980. And this is hours. Pause the video if you need to go back and see something again. What is this number rounded to the nearest 100? Okay, so my 100 is 1, 5 tells 1 to go 2. So I'm going to write 5, 3, 8. 1 changes to 2, 100. Nearest 10,000. 8 tells the 3 to go 4. So I'm going to write 5, 4. Everything behind it turns to a 0. The nearest 1,000. So that's 8. The 1 doesn't tell it to do anything. So it's 538,000. Everything turns to a 0 behind it. 100,000. You know what? The 3 doesn't tell the 5 to do anything. So it's going to stay the same. And everything behind it is going to turn into a 0. How'd you do? Draw a rectangle model. 3 times 6 is 18 with a 0. 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm at 195. 29 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16 with a 0. 8 times 9 is 72. I've got 160 plus 72. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 72. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 minus 2 is 10. 40 is my answer. There were 381 books sold at a children's book fair. At the end of the day, there were still 498 books remaining. Samantha says that there were 112 books at the start of the book fair. Explain her error. How many books were at the start of the book fair? So we know this is how many books are sold to start. This is how many books are sold at the Children's Used Book Fair. At the end of the day, there was still 493 books remaining. So that means there's 493 books remaining. This is what was sold. This is what's left. And she says the answer is 112. This is wrong. Samantha should add 381 plus 493 to get the total. I think she subtracted.